Coming off from the fresh success ng Realme 9 series, this time around guys, hawak na natin ang all-new Realme 10. And I'm really excited to see kung itong phone na ito could succeed ang success na ginawa nila sa Realme 9. Can they duplicate it or can they do it better? Malalaman natin in this full review natin ng Realme 10. Samahan niyo ako guys! So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So guys, before tayo magsimula nag-review na ito, Ignite the Passion 11/11 with Lazada's biggest sale of this year with up to 90% off brand Lazada flash deals, free shipping with no minimum spend, cap at 40 pesos, and of course, stackable vouchers for big discounts. Don't forget guys to check the link on the description box para sa vouchers and discounts. And si Realme 10 would also be available for Lazada 11/11 sale. And by the way guys, this video is fully recorded using the LEXAR Play na micro SDXC na UHS 1 card. This one is perfectly fit para sa inyong mga gaming consoles and even camera like I have here na Sony Alpha 6400. Definitely, it's really durable, made for read and write of up to 150 Mbps na speed. More information on the description box. Okay, so guys, probably you have seen yung aking unboxing and first impression nitong Realme 10. If you haven't seen it, I'll be linking it up here. Check nyo lang. And of course, hawak natin na color dito is the Rush Black na color. Actually, to be honest with you guys, it's more of a bluish gray than a black color. Kasi once na inailawan siya, makita mo meron siya mga pagka-silver glitters dito na very tiny glitters. Actually, medyo invisible siya sa mata. Pero kung nailawan siya, makikita mo yung ganda niya. And I can say na it's parang blue na nagiging gradient na gray down here. And it's really refreshing ang kanyang colorway dito sa phone na ito. And there's another colorway, tawag sa kanya is the Clash White. So this is how it looks like. And medyo white siya na gradient papuntang peach color. You know guys, the Realme 9 series, lalo na si Realme 9 Pro Plus, has really left me a very good impression on the camera performance ng Realme series. And I know na for fact, this should be a successor. Lalo na yung camera bump niya, makita natin it's a touring na yun ang in na this time right now. So I'm really excited to show you a little bit later kung ano kaya nito camera ng Realme 10. So pasyalin ko lang kayo quickly dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim we have the audio jack, the microphone in, the Type-C port, and of course the loudspeaker. On the side we have the volume rocker and of course the power button / fingerprint scanner. Noise cancelling mic sa ibabaw and of course ang kanyang SIM slot. So pag sinundot natin ang SIM tray, this is how it looks like. We have triple card slot over here. It can support a micro SD card and of course two 4G na nano SIM. And sa likod niya, meron siyang dual camera lens starting off with the 50MP na main camera sensor. And of course, there's the front-facing camera na 16MP. And of course, there's the front-facing camera na 16MP. Medyo may kalakihan nga lang yung butas niya. So let's quickly run a benchmark here, 3D Mark. So, kita natin that it has gathered a very decent score dito sa 3D Mark sa wildlife and having a 1,361 na points. So, malaman natin a little bit later sa kanyang gaming kung kaya nga ba nitong phone na ito mag-game or hindi. Na itong phone na ito has a 6.4-inch na Super AMOLED display. It has a FHD Plus na display and ang screen-to-body ratio niya is 91%. It also has 90Hz screen refresh rate, 180Hz touch sampling rate, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is up to 600 nits. And by the way guys, this is also being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Now, kita natin ang kanyang bezel dito sa side is quite thin, okay naman. Yung nga lang ang kanyang baba is a little bit thick pa rin kahit papaano. So, swiping left and right is very smooth thanks to its 90Hz of screen refresh rate. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 na processor. So, it's quite new. So, expect natin yung kanyang gaming performance might have to be a little bit more optimized in the coming 1 to 2 months. So, tinry naman natin laruin ang Call of Duty Mobile. This is just the settings na meron as of the moment. So, it might have improved ang kanyang support for better graphics in the near future. So, si gameplay naman niya, I can say okay siya. Probably one of the things na I like about this one dahil ang ganda ng kanyang color reproduction dito sa phone na ito thanks to its Super AMOLED na display. And well, guys, yung kanyang 180Hz touch sampling rate is kicking in dahil ang bilis ng response ng touch ko dito sa phone na ito. And definitely, I was able to play the game for roughly 2 hours. Okay, smooth na smooth, and probably there's a little bit of those frame drops and lags na hindi natin maiwasan along the way. But yung overall experience naman nito is pretty much decent. So abangan na natin in the next few months for better optimization ng chip na ito. Playing ML and PUBG is also equally good dito sa unit na ito. So tinest natin nga ng single firing loudspeaker. At first, nung nilagay ko lang siya sa 100%, medyo nabibitin ako konti dahil, well, phone this good should deserve a dual speaker, a stereo speaker, like any other smartphone na meron ni Realme, yung mga higher tier ni Realme, no? But it was easily covered up by ang kanyang ultra boom na speaker. Kita nyo guys, oh, pag pinindot ko, paakyat, after 100%, it will go up to 200%. And the sound after nito, no, I was expecting siguro medyo mas sabog, but I was wrong. The sound was still really nice and mas malakas than ever. So here's the sample. O diba guys, ang last pa rin ka ng loudspeaker even though it's just one single loud firing speaker. But of course, with the 200% na ultra boom speakers technology dito sa Realme 10, I can say ang sound is still great. Now, sabi natin itong phone na ito is equipped with the Helio G99. Quickly checking ang kanyang benchmark, we have a near 400,000 points na score dito sa Antutu benchmark. And if you break it down, ito ang score na makikita natin. For me, quite decent ang kanyang score. Now, scrolling on your favorite social media like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and of course, Twitter is smooth dahil of course kanyang high refresh rate dito sa phone na ito. Now, watching some videos dito sa phone na ito is definitely a treat dahil it has a level 1 Wi-Fi security level. So, meaning if you watch HD on Netflix and on your other favorite online streaming apps, okay, kayang-kaya na manood in HD format. Now, I did try to watch some videos dito sa YouTube and I can say ang sarap manood ng videos dito sa phone na ito dahil sa super AMOLED display, the black is blacker, ang punchy ng colors. Siguro ang pinaka-ayaw ko lang dito sa screen na ito is medyo malaki lang kanyang punch hole dito sa front-facing camera, but overall, the viewing experience is definitely great dito. I was able to watch several films dito and I did enjoy this one bringing out of my pocket while on transportation, watching some videos on the road. Okay, panalo siya. Ito phone na ito has a massive battery, 5,000 mAh of battery, and it has support for 33 watts of fast charging na super VOOC charge ni Realme. Now, I did try to charge this phone from 8% up to 100%. Hindi naman siya nagtagal, no? In just an hour and 20 minutes, tapos na mag-full charge itong phone na ito. Now, equally impressive din ang kanyang battery endurance dito sa phone na ito. It can give me roughly 15 hours estimated, using the PC Mark na battery stress test. And this score was obtained using a 90Hz of screen refresh rate setting and 50% brightness. On day-to-day usage, well, I can say kayang-kaya naman niya magtagal ng one whole day without needing to hit the charging dock. Kayang-kaya na itong phone na ito. Very efficient itong Realme 10 pagdating sa power management. Now, one of the perks na you might want to take advantage of is the video color enhancer. Now, this one, it enhance yung watching ng videos dito sa Realme 10. Now, it will give you a more better experience while watching video on this phone. So, you can also use the auto-select sa kanyang screen refresh rate. So, sarili siya magka-calibrate between 60 and 90 depende kung anong kailangan ng iyong phone. But ako, I always put it to high para mas ma-feel ko ang performance ng phone na ito. Now, did you know guys na ang Realme 10 can give you a higher RAM dito sa loob ng phone na ito? You can expand it up to 5 GB dito sa setting na ito, giving you a more seamless na performance, better multitasking, and of course, better gaming. And by the way guys, the Realme 10 comes with the Realme UI na 3.0 inside the Android 12 na system. So guys, it's about time for us to test ang kanyang camera dito. So we have dito sa likod is a 50MP na main camera sensor together with a 2MP na black and white lens. And sa harap, we have a 16MP na front-facing camera. So right now, I'm using this one. Kita natin, no, ang linaw ng kanyang camera. We are set at 50MP na highest resolution. na kanyang picture, no? So let's just simply take a photo, itong 10. Okay? So we'll just zoom it all the way. Ayan. Kita natin, no? Ang sobrang zoom na to, guys, and kita natin hindi pa siya nagpipixelate, which is definitely nice if you're going to take some outdoor photos, lalo you want to keep on zooming all to your heart's content. This one can give you just that. Now, checking some outdoor shots na nakuha natin dito sa Realme 10, I can see na it's really impressive. Some of these shots na medyo, kailangan mo medyo may pagka-macro shots, no? It was able to give me that very satisfying photo. Kita natin, no, yung mga spikes niya coming off from this flower. Kita natin yung details niya, no? Definitely, this camera can perform. Now, taking some bokeh shot, probably it's not one of the best bokeh cameras that I've tested, but I can see na it's still decent to be able to take a shot like this. And here's another bokeh shot. Some of these other outdoor shots na nakuha ko, I'm still impressed with this camera. And I'm really excited to see how well the Realme 10 Pro or 10 Pro Plus will perform pag naglabas siya pretty soon. And the indoor shots, I can say it is equally good dahil it can enhance a little bit of the lightings kahit medyo low light. Medyo napapaganda niya ng mga shots ko dito. I'm quite impressed din dito sa Realme 10. Now, dito ako medyo na-impress. Sa kanyang bokeh shot using the front-facing camera na 16MP, it was really nice. And I can say yung mga edges na kuha na dito sa aking face, it's quite clean naman ang kanyang cuts. So, yung pagka-bokeh na dito is definitely okay for a camera like this one. Probably I can say impressed ako sa kanyang front-facing camera dahil ang ganda ng mga shots na kaya makuha, be it indoor and outdoor, and mas lalo na pagdating sa bokeh shots. Well, I'm quite impressed talaga dito sa kanyang front-facing camera. Now, I did take some videos using the front-facing camera for vlogging, and this is how it goes. So guys, what you're seeing right now is the camera of the Realme 10, and I'm shooting right now at 1080p and 30 FPS. And probably this is the video resolution that you'll be getting when you're using it for Zoom, for Viber chat, or for probably other video apps that you'll be using the front camera of the Realme 10. And I've also recorded it using the default audio. So guys, this is the front camera quality that you'll be getting from the Realme 10. And right now I'm recording at 1080p, 30 FPS, and this is going to be the quality you'll be seeing for Zoom, for Viber chat, and for Facebook Messenger video chat, or even other online chat app that uses video. And of course, what do you think of this video? And right now the audio is also recorded using the default microphone. Sound off on the comment section below. Pagdating naman sa rear camera, taking some videos, I can say it's just a little bit shaky. But overall, ang kanang color reproduction is also good. So guys, what can I say about the Realme 10? I'm impressed dito sa phone na ito, lalo sa kanyang design. It's quite nice. And of course, ang kanyang slim design having just a 7.95mm na thickness, it's definitely one of the better phones na gusto ko ilagay sa loob ng aking pocket dahil sa kanyang pagka-nipis, no? I'm really a fan ng mga slim na phones. I'm not really too much fan ng mga makakapal na phone. And lalo mga chunky ones. This one is definitely just right inside my pocket. And overall, ang performance is definitely nice. Especially ka ng camera is really a performer. Lalo ka ng battery, quite good. Guys, if we want to purchase the Realme 10, pwede na ma-purchase to during the Lazada 11/11 sale, and I'll be posting everything on the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And of course, don't forget to claim your stackable vouchers ng Lazada also on the description below. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin ang bell icon para di nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para sa Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Watcha!